Question number 4. The weight of 30 boxes is 6 kg. What is the weight of 1080 such boxes? So we know the weight of 30 boxes 6 kg, and we have to find the weight of 1080 boxes. So again, unitary method. We will first find the weight of one box, and from the weight of one box we will find the weight of 1080 box. Weight of 30 boxes is equal to 6 kg. Weight of one box. From many to one, operation of division. And that too 6 divided by 30, not 30 divided by 6. 6 divided by 30. So I'll write this as 6 upon 30. Now both the number is divisible by 6. Divided by 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 30 divided by 6 is 5, because 6 5s is 30. 1 upon 5 kg. So weight of one box is 1 upon 5 kg. Now we will find the weight of 1080 box by the operation of multiplication. Weight of 1080 boxes is equal to 1 by 5 into 1080. 1 by 5 into 1080. And this is nothing but 1080 divided by 5. Now let us divide 5 1080. 5 2s is 10. 0 8. 5 1s are 5. 3 0. 6 is 30. So the answer is 216 kg. So from the weight of 30 boxes, that is 6 kg, we find the box of weight of one box, that is 1 by 5 kg. And from the weight of one box, we find the weight of 1080 boxes. Weight of one box, we find the weight of 1080 boxes using the operation of multiplication. So the answer is 216 kg. So therefore, weight of 1080 boxes is equal to 216 kg. Question number 5. A car traveling at a uniform speed covers a distance of 165 km in 3 hours. At that same speed, the first question is, how long will it take to cover a distance of 330 km? The second question is, how far will it travel in 8 hours? So the only thing we know that the distance of 165 km is covered in 3 hours. So the first thing we have to find is the time required to travel 330 km. Solution. Time required to travel 165 km, this is given, is 3 hours. So time required to travel 1 km. From 165 km, we will find the time required to travel 1 km. So time required to travel 1 km is from many to 1, we will use the operation of division. That is 3 divided by 165. 3 divided by 165, not 165 divided by 3. 3 divided by 165. Both are divisible by 3. because we know the divisibility test for 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 165 divided by 3. 165 divided by 3. 3 5s are 15. 1 5. 3 5s are 15. So 165 divided by 3 is 55. So time required to travel 1 kilometer is 1 upon 55 hours. So now we will find the time required to travel 330 kilometer, because we need to find the time taken to cover a distance of 330 kilometer. Since we know that the time required to travel 1 kilometer is 1 upon 55 hours, the time required to travel 330 kilometer is equal to, from 1 to many, we will use the operation of multiplication. 1 upon 55 into 330. This is nothing but 330 upon 55. Now both are divisible by 11. 11 5s is 55 and 11 30s is 33. 30 upon 5 and 30 divided by 5 is 6. So therefore time required to travel 330 kilometer is equal to 6 hours. So from 165 kilometer, we find the time required to travel 1 kilometer using the operation of division. And then from 1 kilometer, we find the time required to travel 330 kilometer using the operation of multiplications. The second question, part B, how far will it travel in 8 hours? So that means here we will find the distance covered in 8 hours. Now the only thing we know that the distance covered in 3 hours is 165 kilometer. So using that fact, distance in 3 hours is equal to 165 kilometer. This is known to us. So now we will find the distance in 8 hours. So distance in 1 hour. From many to 1 we will use division, and 165 divided by 3. 165 divided by 3 we have already done, 55 kilometer. But now we have to find the distance traveled in 8 hours. So distance in 8 hours. From 1 to many we will use multiplication. 55 into 8. 55 into 8 is 40, 44, 440. 440 kilometer. So the distance travelled in 8 hours is equal to 440 kilometer. So from 3 hours we find the distance in 1 hour using the operation of division. From many to 1 we will use the operation of division, and from 1 to many we use the operation of multiplication.